Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing here?
I am waiting for my friend.
That is interesting.
Yes, we are going to the library.
What about you?
Yes, I love reading stories.
Do you come here often?
I like adventure stories.
Maybe we can study together.
That would be helpful.
What class are you in?
I am in ninth grade.
Do you have exams soon?
Yes, next month.
Do not worry.
You will do well.
Shall we sit there?
Yes, let us sit down.
This place is quiet.
It is perfect for studying.
I agree with you.
Thank you for saying that.
Okay, open your book.
I am ready to learn.
Me too. Let us begin.
Let us start now.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like tea more than coffee.
Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I finished it yesterday.
Are you going to the park later?
Yes, I am planning to go.
Do you want to join me for a walk?
Sure, I would love to join.
Did you watch the new movie?
Yes, I watched it last weekend.
What is your favorite subject?
I like science and history.
Can you help me with math?
Of course, I can help you.
Shall we play a game after study?
Yes, let's play after study.
Do you like drawing or painting?
I like drawing more than painting.
Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, I visited my grandmother's village recently.